Here I have OnePlus Ace 3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for it. You can select its name, start time, end time, and on which days it's gonna repeat. You can actually add exceptions to this mode. It could be like contacts, favorites. You can add apps. There's also an option ring for repeated calls, and silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.